Hi friends, hi YouTube. If you're new here, hi, my name is Nikki. I love fun break, I love fun makeup, I love indie makeup, and I love color stories that don't necessarily go together, and I would love to have you subscribe if you haven't already, but if you do, you do. If you don't, it is what it is. I enjoyed whatever time we end up spending here together. I'm trying to come up with a threat today, but it's really escaping me, so we're just gonna let it be today. Okay, no threats today. But today is collab day. I'm super excited. It is with my lovely friend Alyssa here on the YouTube. I'll have her video, her channel, and just all the good stuff linked down below for her. If you want to go check her out, you should go check her out. I'm threatening you to go check her out. Okay. But yeah, we like random color generated a color story for us to do today. And yeah, I'm super excited for this. I chose the Nomad Après-Ski palette and the Bella Beauté Bar Pastel Garden palette. So again, make sure that you're checking out her channel. But if you want to see how I created this gorgeous look, what color story I got, just do a little makeup time with me, then let's get into it. Hello, good morning friends. It is collab day. I am doing a really fun collab today with my beautiful friend Alyssa here on the YouTube. I'll have her video and her channel linked down below. I'll also have her Instagram, all that good stuff. So make sure that you're going and checking her out. I absolutely adore her. She's just an absolute sweetheart. And I'm so excited for this. And I'm so thankful that through all the bull that I've put her through this past month and a half, almost 2 months, for this freaking collab, that she's held through and done this with me. So she already had hers done. We were gonna put it up, and then I got sick, and then just a bunch of shit has happened for me. So I haven't gotten around to doing it, but I am doing it here today. This idea kind of just came to me. I thought of like random color generators, not random number like I usually do, but random color generators. So I found one and I was like, Alyssa, do you want to do this with me? And she said yes. So here we are. So there's 2 levels to this. We're starting with level 1 where we chose a color palette. There was a color palette thing. I will link what we used down below too. So like you press the button and it gives you a random palette color. So I chose hers and she chose mine. So I'm gonna insert that clip here.
Okay, Nikki, I am about to hit generate on here to get a color story. You're not getting this one. So let's see what your level 1 color story is. Ooh, okay, I really like this because if I could have picked, I would have had some pink. So I'm going to send this to you, but just so you can see, it's sort of it's not quite a red. It's sort of a mix between a red and pink. We have almost like a mix between pink and purple, a light-ish blue, pastel blue, and then like a really light gray. All right, let's see.
For round 2, we like selected each other's like colors by just single color. So that one's just gonna be a mess. Like it is a mess. Do not even worry. I haven't gotten around to it. She hasn't gotten around to it. But just know that the color stories for those ones are messy as hell. Like they are bad. But this is a color story that she picked out for me. I'm super excited for this. I had selected my shades a hot while ago. I'm still picking out level 2 here, but I made my notes here, and it looks like I picked 2 mattes because we picked 5 shades. There was 5 shades in this thing. So 2 mattes and 3 shimmers. I'm going to swatch them out. I'm going to show you what I chose to go with what. So let's do this thing. Y'all have absolutely no idea how excited I am for this now that I have it swatched. Okay, you have no idea. Okay, the 2 palettes that I chose that had the right colors for this is the Après-Ski palette from Nomad and the Pastel Garden palette from Bella Beauté Bar. Oh my goodness gracious. Okay, so here is the color story. I'm gonna plop the thing up in there hopefully and see if I can show you them both at the same time. I feel like I did rather well on this. Yeah, let me go over what everything is. So other than that middle shade right there, let me move my thing so I can see. Other than that shade right there, that is from the Pastel Garden. That is Very Thimble, or yeah, Very Thimble from the Pastel Garden. Otherwise, all these other 4 are from the Après-Ski. So this is Vintrod, Off Piste or whatever. I'll show you the shades that I picked. That one is Very Thimble, Last Call, and then Les Alpes. So that shade, that shade, that shade, and then that shade from this palette. And then from Pastel Garden, oh my goodness, it is that shade right there. I'm super excited for this. This is such a gorgeous, gorgeous color story right here. I'm super excited for this. Yeah, I'm probably going to use that to like deepen some things out, but I'm super excited for this. I'm going to plop that fairy thimble all over the place. Yeah. So again, I hope that you're making sure that you're going to check out Alyssa's video. I'm super excited. This is going to be so much fun. I'm excited to look at what I'm going to do for level 2 after this because it is a mess. Like I said, I'm not going to spoil it, but just be ready for that too if you end up liking this. So as always, I'm going to start by priming my eyes with my REM Beauty Sweetener Concealer in Fair to End. And then I'm going to set it with my Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Translucent Powder. So let me scooch you in. I'm sorry about the lighting. It looks like it might rain. I can't tell. But if it does, I want it to do it because I'm tired of it looking like it's going to rain and then not raining. So to start, I'm going to go in with that last call shade right there from the Pre-Ski palette, the Nomad one. And I'm going to go in with Rephr 01. We're switching it up. I usually don't use this brush. But we're going to use it because why the hell not? And I'm going to take it and I'm going to plop it into the crease right here. Sorry, I just got a new mirror and I had to adjust it down here. I'm super excited. I've been like using palettes and I've been just... I have little toddler size wrist here, okay? So holding up palettes, especially my 42 pan ones from Beauty Bay, it hurts, okay? It hurts them. But I'm just taking this last call shade into the crease here, stamping it in so I can get that, you know, color pigment like I say in every video. But yeah, now I have this big mirror down here finally again. It feels good to have it. I can see things now. If you don't know, I can't see further than like right here. Soon I should be getting, I'm looking into getting contacts. I'm really scared about it though. Because I can put my whole finger in my eye to grab an eyelash out, but the thought of putting a contact in my eye scares the shit out of me. And I don't know why that is. But yeah, just taking this into the crease here. Dabbing it in. Solid. I might be going to New York at some point. I'm super excited. I'm living my best life, and I'm very proud of myself because I worked really hard to get to where I am today, especially mentally. So I'm just, yeah, I feel like I deserve all the good that's coming my way. But just taking that in, stamping it in. So what we're going to leave it at for now. So we're going to stick with this palette. And we're going to go in with that off piece, whatever. That one right there. The one that says off right there. Okay. Okay. And we're going to take my Rephr 13 here. She's battered. Let's deal with her. And then we're going to take her and plop her right here into the crease right below everything. Making it look all cotton candy-y. I had this cotton candy energy drink this week because we have vending machines at work, and so my options are very, very limited because I didn't have time to go get me a little drinky drink. But it was really good, and I've gotten it like multiple times now. But yeah, just taking that right along here and up in here. I'm sad that there's like only just like a tiny bit of depth. Like this is a gorgeous color story, but I'm pale. Even though I've got my tan, my face is still a little bit pale. So when I wear pastels, it really kind of just blends in. So I'm going to start with this same brush, the Rephr 13. I'll probably branch into something else in a little bit, but I'm going to use that Vin Chod shade right there for right now. And we're going to plop it into here and kind of just blend it in and use it as a deepening out shade out here. And I'm going to use this as a shimmer in a little bit, but I need some depth, okay? I need some depth. And I think that is working beautifully. Just taking it a little bit forward here. Blending it in where I put that Peach shade. So once I have that in there and it looks a mess and everything, I'm going to go in with my Unearthly Cosmetics Glimmer Graphs. I've been using this so much recently. I'm absolutely in love with this. It is just so freaking good. So I'm going to pop that into this open space in here, and then we're just going to play around with all these shimmies that we got left that I'm just so utterly excited to play with. So we're going to go in with the pastel Cardam palette now. We're going to go in with that Fairy Thimble shade that I chose for this. I'm super excited. It's so gorgeous. So I'm taking that on my, oh my goodness, on my Rapper 21. This is going to be chunky. Oh my goodness. So bear with me. But we're going to take them, we're going to plop that into the, oh my god, the outer space of the eye right here. We got a lot of fallout because I had a lot on the brush. But yeah, just taking that and plopping that into this space right here. I'm probably, like I said, going to take that shade that I used right here and put it out here. But for right now, I'm just focusing on this shade, this Fairy Thimble shade. I'm taking it forward here. Just plopping it on. So once I have that in there now, we're going to go back over to the Nomad palette. We're going to go back in with that Vin Schwad, or however you say it, shade right there. Again, still Rapper 21. And we're going to take that and plop that right in here. So I'm just placing it for now. I'm going to blend it out in a second. But I want to get placement down first. Now that I have that there, I've cleaned the brush off, I'm just going to lightly blend them together here. That looks bomb. I am gonna blend this out just a quick bit with whatever brush I used before that I can't. So I'm gonna blend this out a little bit right here, just with the brush that I used for that light blue shade. Go in with that Layouts shade right there. Now that's the only one that we have not used. And again, my Rapper 21 here. We're gonna plop that into this space right here. Oh. Yeah, just taking that layout shade and just bringing it into the inner corner here. That is just everything and more. I love how this is turning out. I love how that's turning out. That is gorgeous. Okay, so I'm going to go do the rest of my face. I'll come back for blush, highlight, lip details. There's something in my eye. Okay, so I'm gonna go do that, and then we'll go over everything. Yeah, this is bomb. I think I might add like a liner right here because I feel like that would be a vibe. So that's what I'm gonna go do. I'll explain it all later. I'll be back. Hello, I'm back. I had a pretty long jam session listening to music, so it took me a tad bit longer than it usually does, and then that jam session took a little bit longer and extended a little bit longer because it started to get really cloudy and dark out. So then I just was like, okay, I'm just gonna wait for the clouds to change a little bit. So it just got kind of extended. Anyways, let's go over some products and some details here. I use this NYX pencil in Pink Spirit in here. I should know the name of this because, you know, I keep using it. And then I covered that up with my Pixie liner, which I don't know where the hell that went right now, but it's like a Pixie Black Noir one. And then I went down there because, yeah. Then I went in with this ColourPop Text Me Pressed Powdered Blush in this shade. And then I went in with two different highlighters. I went in with the Glam Light Friday the 13th one, which looks like this just because it's a little bit blue. Actually, I went in with two of them from the same palette. I went in with the Dewdrops palette from Divaroon, and I went in with Drop and what is that one? Plop. So the blue and the pink one because, you know, yeah. I love how the other day I was like, I haven't been putting on this much highlight, and then today I was like, But I think the difference is that I blended in a lot more than I did before. Before I just kind of plopped it on and went about, but like now I kind of just like blended in, other than my nose, because I like to look like Rudolph, okay? Let me guide your sleigh tonight, okay? Okay. Anyways, we are going to be moving on. We're going to be doing the under eye. I'm going to go in with the Après Ski palette here. We're going to go in with that Vin Chaude shade. And I'm going to go in with my Rephr 23 here because, you know, yeah. Okay, I'm really scared. I have a full face now, and we had a lot of fallout earlier, so now I'm a little bit nervous. But yeah, that Vin Chaude shade, and right here on the lower lash line, just right on this outer corner here. Nice. And then after that, we're gonna go into, yeah, we're just going to do the upper eye down below. So we're going to go in with that Fairy Thimble shade now from the Pastel Gardens palette. And taking that along the lower lash line right here. If I can, if it'll allow me. It's being kind of a pain right now. And then once I have that, we're going in with the Pre-Ski palette again. Going in with like, oh my gosh, my hair is just falling out of the ponytail. Going in with like one of my favorite all-time shades just ever. It is that Light Elf shade. That one and the Chamois one are just like really, really close together in my book of like just top shades. But yeah, my Rephr 03 here. I'm just gonna plop a bunch of that into the inner corner area right here. Because yeah. Now that I have this here, I am going to go plop on some mascara and lip. It's, you know, you know already. And this is what I talked about when I said that, like, it's very cloudy up above, so just bear with me. I went in with this NYX Liquid Suede Cream Lipstick in Sandstorm here. I'm very tempted to put on this ColourPop Frosty the Snowman So Juicy Plumping Gloss Balm in all melted, because I feel like it would just be really bomb on top of this, so you know what, screw it. Let's do it. That's a bomb lip color right there. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I love these. These are so delicious. They smell like sugar cookies. They're everything and more. Okay, we're just gonna have to roll with the punches, and by punches I mean the fact that it's really cloudy and again, not raining. It would be justifiable if it was raining, but it's not raining. But yeah, this is the look. I love this lip a lot. But yeah, I really like how this look turned out. So here's a little up close look at it here. Again, I think this just turned out freaking amazing. It is stunning. It is beautiful. I'm really, really happy with this. I'm happy with the shades that I chose. I'm so excited to do level 2 now. I can't remember what we're naming this. I'll have to go look in the chat with Alyssa. But yeah, I really, really like this. This is so pretty. Oh my goodness. These colors just work so absolutely beautiful together. My skin is looking just like amazing. So like, let's just talk about that. Let's look at it for a little bit. But yeah, I'm so excited for this. I'm so excited for level 2. Like I said, like this is gonna be, I love this type of stuff, okay? I love being challenged with my makeup, and it's just a lot of fun. So yeah, I'm super excited to do that. That will be coming in July, just an FYI. But yeah, I'm super, super happy with this. Again, I hope you guys have gone and checked out Alyssa's channel, just all that good stuff. I'm super excited. But yeah, I loved pairing these two together. I love this palette, okay? This is a top palette in my collection for me. This is one hell of a color story. It's stunning. I love it. It's everything and more. So yeah, I'm going to stop blabbing. I'm going to go film my intro. I'm going to edit. I'm going to go stuff my face with cheese, as you should. Okay? Okay. Remember to not be a piece of shit. Don't be homophobic. Don't be transphobic. Don't be racist. It's 2025. Put your head on your ass and do freaking better. Remember, morals over makeup. Okay? Okay. So, yeah. Let's go stuff our faces with cheese, okay? So remember to do good, be good, and I can't wait to see your cute face next time.